Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so happy to dip back into my Dollar General makeup stash and try out one of the lip glosses that I picked up in my huge Dollar General makeup haul. So this is from Believe Beauty, which is the Dollar General exclusive brand. And this is the Lustrous Shine Lip Gloss that I got in the shade Bombshell. And I am so excited about this. This looks so beautiful. I love a tinted lip gloss, so much so that I actually bought like 5 very similar pink lip glosses when I did that Dollar General makeup haul, and I didn't even realize it. I was just pulling all the makeup off the shelf that I wanted. I bought so much. I'll of course have that haul video linked in the description down below if you haven't seen it yet, but it's okay because the Dollar General makeup products are so affordable. At least that's what I'm telling myself. I mean, this only cost $4, and I was looking this up online and on the Dollar General app because I am a die-hard Dollar General fan now. Like, it's my favorite store, and they just opened up a brand new one right down the street from me. And I saw that this comes in, I think, 12 shades and lots of beautiful shades. They have red, clear, nudes, berry shades. They have a purple, and I love to see such a great shade range and such a variety of different shades. I like the packaging too. This seems like a really large lip gloss. So let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, that is actually a smaller applicator than I was expecting, but that is fine by me. Let's also see. Oh, this actually smells like nothing, which is not bad. Like, it's fine for a product to not have fragrance. I, for some reason, when it comes to lip glosses, especially love having a nice smell. I think that's just the nostalgic side of me because growing up I was obsessed with scented lip glosses. But so let's see how this swatches. Ooh, so pretty. Just a little tint of pink, but very high shine. No sparkle to this one. Here you can see what that swatch looks like. Seriously, so shiny, wow. And my lips are feeling dry as per usual, so I'm really excited to see if this is nourishing, hydrating to my lips, and just how it's gonna look. So let's find out. Ooh, I love the texture of this. It's a nice, thick gloss. Ooh, so pretty. I am loving the shine already. I am just going to layer up a little bit more to try and build up a slightly more visible tint of color. This is reminding me a lot of the NYX Milky lip gloss that I tried out recently that I really liked. It gives that same kind of effect. It is so pretty. It's just such a gorgeous classic lip gloss that looks so beautiful on the lips. It definitely does give a wash, a slight tint of color, which is very flattering, and it's so high shine. I love when a lip gloss is very shiny like this because it really enhances my lips. It helps them look bigger, more plump, and this is definitely moisturizing. It gives kind of a plumped effect where it smoothed out the lines in my lips and just made them look so much better. It's exactly what I was hoping for, if not better. Just the way it makes my lips look so ideal with the color, the smoothness, the shine. It really does look like it plumped up my lips, but it doesn't have any tingling, burning feeling. But this is basically exactly what my lips look like when I use those burning, tingling, plumping lip glosses. So that is awesome. And I really love the look of this on its own. I feel like it's the perfect color. It can be day to night, go with any makeup look, but it would also be such a great lip topper since it is so shiny and enhancing on the lips. I just feel like Believe Beauty nails it with their products. So I think this is the only lip gloss that they make. I mean, they make a bunch of shades, but this is the only lip gloss that I saw right now. And I just love that their one lip gloss is just so good. It's not like they have so many different lip glosses to choose from, and some might be okay, some might be not good at all. With Believe Beauty, if you want a lip gloss, you're gonna get it's called the Lustrous Shine lip gloss, and it's going to be a really awesome lip gloss because I feel like they put so much effort into this one lip gloss. So I definitely want to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below if you've tried it out, and if you've tried it out in any of those other shades, let me know what your thoughts are on them because now I really want to pick up more colors of this. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.